It's your boy Killer B. Hey man, I'm at Texarkana, Harley Davidson. I'm in Texarkana, Arkansas. So met up with my dude Bentron down here, and yeah, I'm out here at Texarkana, Harley Davidson, baby. Yeah, nice little dealership out. That's my dude Bentron over there. Come on, man. Tell me your name, man.
It's Cam here at Texarkana Harley Davidson.
Hey, man, y'all come down and see Cam down here at Texarkana, Arkansas, Harley Davidson. Huh?
Texarkana, Texas.
Texarkana, Texas.
802 Walton Drive.
802 Walton Drive. Y'all hear that? Y'all have to come down and check out this nice dealership right here. So, yeah. They got some nice bikes up in here, too, man. We're gonna, I'm gonna tell you like this. They greeted us right when we walked in the door. Great customer service. I mean, like 3 or 4 guys walked up to us. I didn't have my camera in my hand. And talk with us, man. Introduce themselves. So yeah, we down here, baby. I hope you can hear me. I don't have my mic on. But yeah, we here, down here at the dealership, baby. So y'all need to come down and see these guys and get your bike, man. Come on, man, get off the phone and introduce yourself.
Hey, what's going on, man? I'm Nick. I'm the sales manager here. Come on down and see us.
Come on down and see us, man.
Hey, it's Justin, Texarkana Harley. Call me the old man. Come
Call
see
you the
me.
old man. That's what's up. So yeah, man, they got a nice little dealership down here, baby. So man, y'all come and check them out. Texarkana, Texas. I was thinking it's Arkansas, but you know it's kind of right at the line. So yeah, you can see this one here. Oh, they got the 21 on that baby there. Yeah. So great dealership, y'all. Hey man, check out this exhaust right here. You see that? It's the RCX Exhaust. I haven't seen that, man. That is nice right there, baby. That is nice. Some nice stuff. Hey, I'm telling you, great Harley Davidson, great dealership down here. I mean, the people been nothing but nice since we walked in the door. So yeah, we're gonna show you around a little bit. It's set up so neatly. Look at it. Look at, they got the black wheels right there. Nice, clean Harley. Hey, how you doing?
How are you?
I'm good. Tell them who you are.
I'm Jerica. I work in motor clothes.
Motor clothes. How long you been here?
I've been here about 8 months.
8 months? You like it?
I love it.
That's cool. That's what's up.
Best job I ever had.
All right, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Dallas, Texas area.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
cool.
So yeah, they got the Clockworks windshields. They got the trim. Hey, I got one of them trims right there at the house if anybody want to buy it. So yeah, I mean the store is set up real neatly and nice, y'all. So yeah. So yeah, man. I mean, it's, y'all can't say enough about how nice, but I haven't met a Harley Davidson that I had went to that was messed up or anything. Just nice. My dude Bentron, we met up today. Yeah. We ain't on the bikes, but we here though. We here.
And down from Little Rock.
Yeah, Little Rock. You know, we were here handling a little business, but that's between me and him. So yeah. Hey man, they got 50% off sale going on right here. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Hey, for you guys who like to wear the chaps with the butt out, like Prince, come on down here and get you some chaps, baby. Well, yeah, man. But I had to come on here. I wasn't gonna video, but I said, you know what? Hey, how you doing? I'm good. So I had to come in here and see what was going on. So, yeah. Look at the 121, baby. Look at the 121. Hey, y'all. Let me tell you like this. I have to give it to Harley Davidson this year, y'all. They did the thing this year, y'all. The new bikes are off the chain. I'm gonna tell you, give me a year if I could, if I can last a year. Give me a year. I might have something coming to the garage, man. Might have something coming new. But yeah, check it out, man. But I just want to come in here and do this short video, show y'all the new stuff, the old stuff, you know, so that's just what it is. I might get me a t-shirt, you know what I'm saying? But y'all, look at this green right here, I like that, man. That color is crazy. Look at that. If you're looking for the Road Glide 3 in Shark, man, that's clean. Yeah, dawg. And this is where you be at when you get your new bike. When you buy your new bike, you get to ring that bell right there. Get to ring that bell. So yeah, nice, neatly. The service department back over that way. So yeah, it's cool, man. So hey, we here. So man, try not to spend no money, but you know what? I might have to get me a shirt before I leave here. Hey, how you doing, man? I'm good. So yeah. But man, we're gonna get back up with y'all later. Man, but I just had to come and show Texarkana, Texas, Harley Davidson. I had to put them on the map. Hey, if you anywhere near coming down Interstate 30, going toward Little Rock, or you coming back going toward Dallas, Texas, they right off the service road. You can't miss them. Cannot miss them at all. So yeah, I need to be trying to get me some tires. I got to get me some stuff because I got to get my bike right. So yeah, but I'm go home and try to get this 2-in-1 on. Y'all tell me what you think I got on the bike, all right? Tell me what you think I got. So yeah. What's up, man?
What's up?
What's your name, man?
My name's Ben. I'm one of the parts guys here.
How long you been here, man?
4.5 years.
You like it, man?
I love it.
You love what you do. You gotta love what you do to be
I
here.
love helping people trick out their bike.
Yes, sir. So yeah, man. So yeah, they got it going on. So man, I get up with y'all. I just wanted to show this beautiful dealership right here. And hey, how you doing?
Hi.
So yeah, I just had to come and show the dealership, y'all. You know, cause your boy get out. If it wasn't raining, as bad as it's been raining, I would have been on the bike. So yeah. Y'all, I like that vest right there. Look at that vest. How y'all like that vest? Let me show you what's on the back of it. Look at that. That's nice. Got Harley Davidson on the back. It's a nice vest. Yeah, that's real sweet. Trying not to walk out of here with it. That's one of the things I seen I like, so I won't have to always throw my leather vest on. So yeah. But yeah, we gonna get ready to bounce out of here so I can get back toward the house and get my exhaust pulled off my bike and get the other one installed on. I don't know if I'm gonna video it getting it installed on, but I'm not sure. But if I don't, I'm definitely gonna show y'all because I want y'all to see it. And y'all tell me what I got. Y'all tell me in the comments which one you think I got. D&D, Chromeworks, but Sunny, which one is going on Cone? Which one is going on Cone? Yeah, nice meeting y'all, man.
Y'all up too.
No much from the head on back. Cam, appreciate meeting you, man. So yeah, man.
Your wife says you know your pops.
Check me out on YouTube. What's your name, man?
Moses.
Moses. Hey, I like that name, baby.
Appreciate
you
it.
in the Bible, baby. Yes,
Oh,
sir.
yeah. Come
Yes,
away.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm the new age one. I just take all your money from bike cards.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
down his way.
So yeah. But man, holla at me. I got your number, Doc. Yes, sir. All right, man. Y'all have a good one. Hey, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Get him to subscribe to the channel.
You know, you got it.
Yes, sir. All right. So, man, we finna get out of here. My boy Ben Tron finna go back to Little Rock. I'm finna go back toward Princeton, Dallas, Texas area and get on this road. It's been doing a little raining, missing here and there. I think it's supposed to rain all weekend, so it probably won't be no bike riding, y'all. Not this weekend, not this weekend. But I don't think it's supposed to rain Sunday, dude. I don't think, not in our area. But yeah, we finna get out of here. So if you're ever down here in this area right here, that's where you need to come, right there. Yeah. What is that, 802 Dawson? Walton Street. So man, baby, that's gonna be it. Till next time, baby. The next grind. Y'all stay safe. I'm out. Peace.